Hello friends, this is continuation of cloning an antique doily, and in this video I will show how to make the final border and also to discuss that round 8 to 14 is a repetition of round 7 and 6. So on round 8 to 14, you repeat round 6. That's every even number round. And for odd number round 9, 11, and 13, you will repeat instructions on round 7. So I am now working on round 15 of making the border. And so on round 15, we are going to make a double crochet, 2 double crochet on each chain 1 space and 3 double crochet on each chain 2 space. So to begin, the last round ends on the second chain of the beginning chain 2. So we will chain 2 here, and that is a chain 2 space. And this one counts, the chain 2 beginning stitch counts as a double crochet. So since this is a chain 2, we will make 3 double crochet stitches. So that count as 1. So this is the second double crochet. Then 3 double crochet. And the tension has to be tighter, a lot tighter here, because it's the border edging, and it will reinforce the stretchiness of the open work stitches. So chain, there is no chain because this is a plain fabric. This is the final border. So chain, so there is no chain. I'm sorry, I keep making mistake. I need more coffee this morning. So anyway, we made 3 double crochet on the chain 2 space here. So this is a chain 1 space. So we will make 2 double crochets, making sure that pulling on the double crochet stitch to make it tighter. So you give it a little tug at the end of the, after you pull the last yarn over loop. So, and then that's a chain 2 space, so we will make 3 double crochet stitches. 2 and that's 3. 2 double crochet on the next chain 1 space. Three double crochets on next chain 3 space. And so That's the way it will be done until the corner. And in the corner we will do a double crochet on top of double crochet on each 3 double crochet corner stitches, and then chain 2 double crochet on the corner, chain 3 corners chains, and then chain 3 and then make another set of 3 double crochets on the same space, and then repeat what we've done here. So anyway, I will see you on next video and showing you how to make the corner. So let me make another set of 2 double crochet on the next chain 1 space, three double crochet on the next chain 2 space, and so that's it will be. And as you can see, I'm almost finished. I just after this round, I'm on this one, then I will do the edging, and that will be another fun round to do. So I'll see you on the next round. Thank you for watching.